Hello, Part 19, adds some interactive input controls to the table. We add avatars, a switch, a rating, a progress bar and a circled progress with some action buttons. This table fires a change event when each of the items are changed. You will recall that previously we linked a click event to the action buttons. Because these here are interactive components, we just have a change event linked to the table name. The subroutine for the change event is DTUsers_change. It receives the row being processed. The action buttons act like before. Let's take a look at the code. We load the table layout named DTUsers. This time we define a list to hold all our records. Each record has an avatar URL, the first name, last name, ratings, etc. We call the method to add the avatar, then later the switch, the rating, and progress indicators. We also add the edit and delete buttons and change their dimensions to update their colors. We then bind the table to the Vue component. This ensures that we have the latest update. You can find more information about the progress elements, the rating, the switch directly from the Vuetify documentation. As we no longer adding each row, we pass a list to set data source as a single call. When the app is ran, our records are shown. We conclude Part 19. To receive updates on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also click like on the tutorial. Thank you.